Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany, and in today's video I'm taking you along with us for a fun-filled night of holiday splendor, if you will. Tonight we are having my mother-in-law and sister-in-law over for dinner. Danny actually just left to go get pizza. We call it good pizza, so there's like pizza from like Little Caesars or Papa John's, and then there's like pizza from a legit pizza place. So that's what we're doing tonight. We're doing pizza, and we are going to play a fun Christmas movie while we play some games. And I'm also going to make homemade hot chocolate. This is not like my original recipe, but my kids call it my hot chocolate because I make it all the time, every year. It is the most delicious, like, hot chocolate you will ever experience in your life. I will write the recipe down for you in the comments or in the description box below, so you definitely have to give it a shot. The first time I ever had this hot chocolate was, God, 101 years ago, probably like 10 years ago. I went to a cookie exchange when my oldest son was probably 4 or 5, and we had a hot cocoa bar, and the host had made it, and it was just so good, and ever since then I have made it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that going. That is done in the crock pot, so we're gonna get that going now. We're also going to bake some delicious cookies that are easy, probably a family favorite because they have, you know, Christmas things on them. And then figured we would just take you along for a fun night. This is probably not going to be a super long video, but enough of a video to give you some warm Christmas feels and a little bit of how we celebrate the holiday here in our home. So hopefully you are having a beautiful holiday season, and let's go ahead and get started. Thanks for being here. Before we go any further in today's video, I want to go ahead and thank today's sponsor, Air the Real. Air the Real sent me a super cool product that I never thought that I would need, and now I can't imagine my life without it. And that is a shoe or boot dryer, warmer, deodorizer, all in one. This product is so incredible, and like I said, now I just can't imagine my life without it. Today it is snowy and beautiful and wintry and cold, and my boys have been outside enjoying it all day long. And what's fabulous about the Air the Real shoe and boot warmer and dryer is that they can come in, have a snack, have some hot cocoa, warm their bodies up again, and dry their boots and their shoes while they're waiting. And they can also dry their mittens, their hats, you name it, before they go back out and play again. The longer side of the boot warmer goes up to 24 inches, which is fantastic because if you're like me and you wear taller boots or riding boots, you can go ahead and plop those on and they will dry for you very quickly. You can set the drying time anywhere from half an hour, 30 minutes, all the way up to 9 hours. So depending on how soaked your shoes are, if they're fresh out of the washing machine, or if they're soaked like mine were earlier today when I was out helping to shovel the snow, you can just put them on there and make sure that they're dried all the way through, so that way they don't grow any bacteria that's gonna smell or ruin, you know, your shoe, leave any kind of stains. It's really, really convenient. And if you live in a snowy area like I do, you know that it can take days for your shoes and your boots to dry again. So having a product like the Air the Real dryer is so nice because it'll only take an hour to 2 hours for them to be dry versus days. And that's so convenient when you need them all the time here. And now that we are rapidly approaching winter, it's great to use for warming your boots or your hat or your gloves or your helmet before you leave for the day. So in the morning, I like to go outside into my garage, open the garage, turn on my car, turn on the seat warmer, the heater, and now I can put my shoes on there and get those warming up as well before I get into my warm car and go into my warm office. So that is super convenient. I'm someone that's always cold, so this is the feature I'm going to use all winter long. And the dryer is not just for boots and shoes, it's also for cleats. I have 4 boys. They all play sports, anywhere from football to track to soccer, and it's really convenient that I can put their shoes and their cleats onto the dryer when they're done, and it uses ozone deodorization, so it's going to get rid of the stink, which if you have young men who play sports or young women and their cleats get stinky, this is for you, because man, does that stink up your laundry room. So it's so nice that I can pop the shoes on there. Not only do they get nice and dry, but it's also going to help with the odor in the shoes as well. It's so very convenient. If you know someone that lives in a chilly area or who would just love to have warm and cozy shoes and boots for this season, then the Air the Real boot and shoe warmer and dryer is the perfect gift for them. I will go ahead and have everything linked for you down below. You can use this code here and get a 10% discount as well. And make sure you check this out, because like I said, something I never thought that I would need or want, and now I just cannot imagine my life without it. So thank you again to Air the Real for partnering with me in today's video. Let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to go ahead and get started by making the hot chocolate. You're going to start with a crock pot on low. Add 6 cups of milk. I'm using whole milk here. I feel like that just gives you the best flavor for sure. So 6 cups of whole milk. Then we're going to add in our heavy cream. So for this, you need about 1.5 cups. If you end up doing a little bit more, it's not the end of the world. Just makes your hot chocolate a little bit extra delicious and creamy. So 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Next up, you're going to open up a can. I think it's a 14.5 ounce or 15 ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Go ahead and add that to your milk and heavy cream, the whole jar. And then you're going to add in your chocolate and a little bit of vanilla. For the vanilla, I did not measure. I would say I probably added in about a tablespoon or so. I added in this whole bag of chocolate chunks, and that's because they were fresh out of chocolate chips. Otherwise, I would have done chocolate chips. But that is it, you guys. It is so good. Go ahead and let that warm up. Let the chocolate completely melt, and this will be absolutely delicious. It's so creamy and so good, so easy, and yet my family thinks I'm pure Christmas magic every time I make this. Next up, we're going to make some of my favorite Pillsbury sugar cookies. We've got reindeers and Christmas trees tonight. And you guys, I love these cookies. I love to make these during Halloween, and they're so good and so easy. And if you didn't want to make the whole batch, you could just take them out, make a couple, have a few little cookies, and it works out perfectly. So also, when my kids want to make cookies, but I don't want the mess, I have no problem with them pulling these out. So we're going to go ahead and pop these into the oven and let those bake. While everyone was watching the movie, I went ahead and poured myself my own special cup of hot chocolate. I grabbed some of this peppermint vodka by Smirnoff. It's new this year, and you guys, it is so good. This is exactly like a peppermint mocha from Starbucks with a little bit of a twist, and it was so delicious. I also went ahead and let my boys decorate these ready-made sugar cookies. You guys, I picked these up at Walmart. They were super affordable, less than $10 for 16 cookies. It also came with edible glitter and sprinkles, as well as a little bit of icing. I would say if you're going to do this with your family, I would highly recommend that you pick up a little extra icing or make your own. But these little icing tubes are perfect for any kind of fine decorating. They're definitely not good for what my boys were trying to do, and that is smear it on. But God bless them for trying. Next time we do this, we will definitely make sure we have a little extra of the icing. Next up, you're going to see us play some holiday games, and I will not be talking. I'm going to let you enjoy the full extent of our fun, and I hope you enjoy it. My family is a riot. I'm so excited to bring you along with us on our family game night. So here's how you play. Where's the other tickets? Where's the other tickets? Aiden, not. So there's three symbols.
It sit on that side.
Well, there's four.
No.
There's left, right, and then the circle is center.
Okay.
And the square. No, the star is center. The circle is nothing. Okay. So you roll the die. We're gonna start with 3. So take 3 of your chips. Okay. For every round we play with 3 chips.
Does it matter the color?
Nope. When it is your turn, you're going to roll the amount of die that matches the amount of chips you have.
Gotcha.
So if you have 3 chips, you roll 3 die.
Right.
If you have 17 chips, you roll 3 die. That's because that's the max, right? But if you only have 2 chips, you only roll 2 die. Okay.
What if we have no chips?
Listen, if you roll, if you have none, then you're out that round. So, depending on what it says, is what you do with your chips. If you got a left, a right, a center, you give 1 to the left, 1 to the right, and 1 to the center.
Oh, okay.
Until we get to the end when it's down to 2 people and everything's in the center, and then it's just the 2 of you. Okay.
And then we own that much money.
That's right. That's a lot of you.
Like this guy.
So you want me to go first to demonstrate? Okay.
I'm going to be paid for another 3.
So 1 to the left.
And to the center. That was a good roll.
That's a good roll. Okay.
Wait, so,
Well, you didn't have to
like
do
one
anything.
left, I would have to hand it.
Oh, give it back. Thank you.
Okay.
What a coincidence, guys.
So when I go over to Sandy's, we play this with scratch tickets.
Do I have to give this to somebody?
Yeah.
Pass me the die.
Wait, Mimi's left.
Twice the gamble.
Right.
Wow, I put a lot in there. Whoa, Mimi.
Keep yours out of the center.
Okay, 1 to the center. First one in. Oh,
No, you
hang
got
on. Oh, okay.
Stop throwing things at me.
Sorry.
Here. Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't matter. We should have played with cookies.
This
Yeah.
turn. Wow. I'll take that. Thank you very much.
You're very much welcome.
Dang it. Dang.
Oh, that's a bad one.
I'm at 5. No, 6.
I'll
Good
take
one.
it back.
I need one. I need.
So I can just like.
Did you know the new AirPod that is has?
Keep him in, I don't care.
Like, if you don't put this in the video, I'm unsubscribing.
Don't look at the camera.
What do you mean like this?
I like this.
Go.
If you don't unmute this.
Please mute it. Am I just
It's called
What are you doing? It's not green. Feel like they're playing.
Guys, we're cooked.
No. It's Christmas theme. Blue.
It's all Christmas theme. You know what, guys? I don't like this game. You know how many times have been skipped over?
How many?
I think you guys don't love me.